Let me show you the tuna avocado salad that I'll be making all summer long. My family made this growing up. They called it poor man ceviche. I call it good. So I'm starting with a can of chunk light tuna that's in water. This is a 12-ounce can, but once it's drained, it's about 9 ounces of tuna. I have cilantro, onion, jalapeno that needs to be used. I'm going to be adding some fresh squeezed lime juice, tomato. I also wish I had 2 avocados, but I only had 1, so I'm going with it. Okay, and I'm going to be seasoning with some garlic, pepper, and salt. Fresh garlic also works. So I'm going to dice my onion, and I'm just going to start chopping and dicing all of the fresh ingredients. So this tuna salad is very versatile. Sometimes I just like to add any type of fresh vegetable here. I have some cucumbers that need to be used. It's going in. And sometimes I add cherry radishes and even carrot. I'll say that the jalapeno is optional. Sometimes my family would put serrano peppers. That's just too spicy for me, so I went with jalapeno. Once I get this can of tuna open, I am going to drain the water well. Also, if you don't have tuna and you have some leftover salmon that you baked, you can flake that up and add that instead. So tuna goes into the bowl, and I use this little wire mesh strainer that really helped to get the water. Okay, so now I'm going to add all of my chopped fresh ingredients. And quite honestly, if I had more avocado, like I stated earlier, I would use more avocado. But I just saw this can of tuna. I need to make something for a late lunch. And I had like tomato, lime that needs to be used, that jalapeno needed to be used, so I thought this was perfect. And I do this quite often. So I'm going to squeeze in fresh lime juice, and a lot of the ratios are up to you. I'm probably going to add more lime juice later, but you can start with maybe 1 large lime, the juice of 1 large lime. And for my people that taste soap when they use cilantro, you can leave it out. Okay, so going in with my avocado that I just sort of diced up, I'm just going to add that into the bowl. So I'm going to season with this garlic, salt, and pepper mix, the seasoning blend that I have. But you can add a clove of fresh garlic into the mix, salt to taste. Sometimes I even like to add tahini into the mix. But today this is for my son, myself, and my husband, and they don't want tahini in it. But if I were making it for myself, I would. Okay, I need more lime juice going into this, so I'm using another lime. In all, it's like 2 medium limes that I used, but you know, not all limes are super juicy, so it just depends how much juice you can get out of your fresh lime. Okay, so that's going in. I'm also going to add some more of the seasoning because I think it needs it, and some salt to taste. I'm going to give that a mix, and this is it. This is the avocado tuna salad that I'll be making. I love to eat it with totopos or the corn tortilla chips, and this is ready. I've already made this. This is my 2nd time this week, and it's just going to be the summer tuna salad. I love it. Okay, I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.